everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing the quickest and easiest wig install ever. And this one is beginner friendly. We're going to be doing a glueless wig. Yes, glueless. But we still want our glueless wig to give flawless. We want it to look melted down to perfection. But we will not be using any glue whatsoever. So if you want to learn, then please keep on watching. And the wig that I'm wearing in today's video, it's from ISEE Hair. I have worn their wigs in the past. I've actually worn their glueless wig before, but never the 9x6. So this is a new one. And I'm going to be showing you everything that comes in the box. You get the 2 HD wig caps, an elastic band as well. And this is what the wig looks like. So it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. And are you seeing the hairline? I literally do not have to do anything to it. Now this wig is a 9x6 and I do prefer this one. I've tried the 4x6 before, but there's more lace on this one, so it's a little bit more versatile. It is a glueless wig. However, now at the back of the wig you have the combs at the back and at the side. I personally don't like the ones at the side, so I remove those. Now as you can see, I have a wig cap on. I'm not going to do the ball cap method because I want this to be simple and easy for you guys. So I just pop that wig on my head, and I do have to push the wig cap back a bit. And you guys, of course, you can see the wig cap because this is not the HD one, but I just wanted you guys to see the hairline and it looks freaking amazing. I do not have to do anything to this wig whatsoever. All I have to do is just pop it on my head. Now you could just leave it like that, you know, pop it on, go on about your business, and it'll be fine. But I'm gonna add some melting spray just to add some hold to it. So I switched to the HD wig cap and I put the wig back on my head, and I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb just to comb it down. Now one thing I will say about this wig, I love the fact that there's more lace on it, so it goes close to the ear but not all the way down to the ear. So I like that we have more versatility with this, and I can actually wear a side part with this if I wanted to. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out these 2 little pieces of hair in the front just to create a more realistic hairline for me, because I naturally have a widow's peak, so I like having this look with my wigs. This is optional. Personally, I think it makes the wig looks more natural instead of just going straight across your forehead, and voila, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing to this. Now I'm going to cut a little bit of that lace off in the front because it's going a little too low on my forehead. So I cut that off, and as you can see, I'm adding some foundation to the lace just to tint it a bit. And I'm going to put some clips in my hair now because I'm going to apply the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This is my product and I absolutely swear by it and love it. It will have your lace wig looking flawless. So this is not a glue, it's just a melting spray. And like I said, this is definitely optional. You don't have to add anything to the wig, but I like my glueless wig to look melted. I still want it to give that look of I'm wearing a frontal lace wig. So I want it to be flawless, seamless, and melted. Now this is not a glue, like I said, so this is going to be a very temporary hold, very temporary, but it will give that flawless melted look. So yeah, this is all I'm going to be doing to the wig, and I go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to melt her down. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my melting band. So I'm going to leave my melting band on for about 10 minutes. And I'm just going to let it sit while I go ahead and put a little bit of layers in the hair. I'm not going to do too much to it. And I actually started curling it with a curling iron. Actually, no, this is a flat iron. Hi, Simba. And I didn't want it to be curly. I kind of wanted to keep this straight, but I still want a little curl at the end. So I just added just a little bit of curls. My cat needs some attention right now. So I'm going to remove my melting band. And voila, are you seeing the hairline? I know she's sitting a little high on the head right now, but are you seeing that? She is melted, and we're gonna fix that part in because you can see my cap. Now I'm gonna go in with some bobby pins and I'm gonna place it in the back of the wig. The reason why I'm doing this is because this wig is actually a tad bit big for my head. Now I do have a very small head, but I think this wig is about 21.5 or 22. Most wigs that are manufacturer made, they come starting at 21.5, and my head is a 21. So I usually have to put bobby pins or use the adjustment straps to adjust it to fit my head. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my edge brush just to comb up the front, and I'm going to go in with the hot comb just to flatten down that way because we don't want this to look like it's sitting on our house sitting on our house. Girl, what are you talking about? We don't want it to look like it's sitting on our head like a house, okay? We want it to be nice and flat. Nice and flat. That is the look we are going for. This wig claims to be a 180 density, but I think it's more of a 150 density because it is not super thick, but I do like the fact that it's not super thick because it does make it look more realistic. So yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. This was so easy to do. Like, I kid you not, I can literally do this in 10 minutes, but obviously because I'm filming, it probably takes a little longer. The hairline is looking super clean. I love the lace on this wig because it is very, very thin and it just melts down super easy. Now, as for the length, this is a 26 inches length. I'm just going to stand up real quick so you guys can see how it's looking. But yeah, this is pretty much the completed video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. All the products I use, everything will be listed in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.